Welcome back to another video in our series. Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe. It's a lot easier than trying to buy the right train ticket from a German ticket machine. Your support means a lot. Now let's get started. Question number 21. What benefit can be obtained by maintaining an adequate distance between you and the vehicle ahead? It aids far-sighted driving. True. This allows better understanding of traffic situations. It helps reduce the risk of accidents. True. Adequate distance provides enough reaction time. It restricts visibility. False. It does not hinder visibility. Question number 22. When driving outside of a built-up area, you want to overtake cyclists or pedestrians. What is the minimum space to the side that you must maintain? A minimum of 2 meters. This distance ensures safety when overtaking outside towns. Question number 23. Driving within a built-up area, you want to overtake a cyclist. What is the minimum space to the side that you must maintain? At least 1.5 meters. This distance is necessary for safety when overtaking cyclists in towns. Question number 24. Driving within a built-up area, you want to overtake an electric scooter. What is the minimum space to the side that you must maintain? At least 1.5 meters in towns and at least 2 meters outside towns. These distances are required for safely overtaking electric scooters. Question number 25. Where is overtaking prohibited? In all one-way streets. False. Not all one-way streets prohibit overtaking. When the traffic situation is not clear. True. Unclear situations make overtaking unsafe. Where oncoming traffic could be obstructed. True. Ensuring no obstruction is essential for safe overtaking. Question number 26. What is the correct procedure for pulling out to overtake? The vehicle in front indicates right. False. This alone does not ensure safe overtaking. Any danger to traffic following is excluded. True. Safety of following traffic is paramount. Oncoming traffic is not endangered. True. Ensuring the safety of oncoming traffic is essential. Question number 27. What must you do to end an overtaking maneuver? Move over to the right as soon as possible without inconveniencing the vehicle you have overtaken. True. Rejoin the lane safely and promptly. Signal your intention to draw in clearly and in good time. True. Signaling intentions is important for safety. Move over to the right-hand side of the roadway, right in front of the vehicle you have overtaken. False. This could be dangerous and inconvenient. Question number 28. What are the regulations governing speed when overtaking? The speed of the overtaking vehicle must be appreciably higher. True. Higher speed ensures a quicker and safer overtaking process. The permissible top speed must not be exceeded. True. Adhere to speed limits even while overtaking. The person being overtaken must not increase his speed. True. It's important not to speed up when being overtaken. Question number 29. What must you do when you are being overtaken? Increase your speed. False. You should not increase speed while being overtaken. If possible, drive on the far right. True. Keep to the right to allow safe overtaking. Not increase your speed. True. Maintain or reduce speed for safety. Question number 30. On which side must you overtake a tram which is travelling in the middle of the roadway, not a one-way street? On the left only if other vehicles are blocking the roadway on the right. False. This is not the usual rule for overtaking trams. On the right. True. Trams are typically overtaken on the right side. On the left. False. overtaking trams on the left is not standard unless the right side is obstructed. Question number 31. When may a tram be overtaken on the left? In one-way streets. True. In one-way streets, it's permissible to overtake trams on the left. When the rails run too far to the right. True. If the rails are too far right, overtaking on the left is allowed. When the roadway, not a one-way street, to the right of the tram is blocked by other vehicles. False. Usually, trams are overtaken on the right unless the path is obstructed. Question number 32. Which vehicles may be overtaken only by maintaining a specially great lateral distance? Bicycles. True. Bicycles require extra space due to their vulnerability and potential swaying. Motorcycles. True. Similar to bicycles, motorcycles also need more space for safety. Trams. False. Trams, running on tracks, don't require the same lateral distance as bikes or motorcycles. Question number 33. When must you signal? Before pulling in again after overtaking. True. Signalling is crucial for safe repositioning on the road. When proceeding straight ahead as you leave a priority road which bends sharply. False. Signalling is not typically required for continuing straight. Before pulling out to overtake or to pass. True. Indicating your intention to overtake is important for road safety. Question number 34. You are driving a slow-moving vehicle on a main road. How can you facilitate faster-moving vehicles in overtaking? Into a lay-by. True. Using lay-bys allows faster traffic to pass safely. Onto the hard shoulder. True. Moving to the hard shoulder can help faster vehicles overtake. Onto the parking area. True. Utilizing parking areas can ease overtaking for faster vehicles. Question number 35. How can you tell if a horse-drawn carriage wants to change direction? The driver extends his arm. True. Arm signals are often used by carriage drivers to indicate turns. A traffic paddle is displayed. True. A traffic paddle may be used for signalling, especially if the carriage lacks indicators. A flashing indicator. True. If equipped, flashing indicators on a carriage signal direction changes. Question number 36. You want to overtake a horse-drawn carriage on a rural road. What should you do? Provide the most space to the side as possible. True. Maintaining a wide lateral distance ensures safety, especially around animals like horses that might be startled. Use a high engine speed. False. High engine speeds can startle horses, increasing the risk of an accident. Make as little noise as possible. True. Minimizing noise is important to avoid startling the horses and ensuring a safe overtaking maneuver. Question number 37. You want to overtake a horse-drawn carriage on a rural road? What is the right course of action? Maintain a sufficient amount of distance when pulling in again. True. It's important to ensure enough space when rejoining the lane to avoid scaring the horses and to ensure the safety of all road users. Maintain the smallest possible side clearance. False. A larger side clearance is safer and necessary when passing animals. Look for hand signals from the driver indicating he wants to turn off. True. Observing any hand signals is crucial to understand the intentions of the carriage driver and ensure a safe overtaking. Question number 38. What amount of side clearance must you maintain when overtaking pedestrians and cyclists? Maintain a minimum side clearance of 1.5 meters within a built-up area. True. This distance is necessary to ensure safety and compliance with traffic regulations. Maintain a minimum side clearance of 2.0 meters outside of a built-up area. True. A greater distance is required outside of built-up areas for safety reasons. Maintain a minimum side clearance of 1.0 metre within a built-up area. False. The minimum required is 1.5 metres, not 1.0 metre. Question number 39. What must you note when overtaking cyclists in this situation? You must overtake with at least 1.5 metres of side clearance. True. A minimum of 1.5 metres distance is required to safely overtake cyclists, particularly on an incline where they might sway. The incline causes the cyclists to sway. True. Be aware that cyclists may sway more on slopes, making extra space crucial for safety. Question number 40. What is the correct course of action in this situation? Overtake the cyclist with a sufficient amount of side clearance. False. Overtaking in this situation isn't advised due to insufficient space and road markings. Allow the pedestrian to cross the road. False. There's no mention of a pedestrian crossing in the scenario. Remain behind the cyclist. True. It's safer to stay behind the cyclist when overtaking is not feasible or the road conditions don't allow it safely.